From rugged highlands to lush green valleys, one small animal has accompanied humans on the long journey of civilization. It's the goat, a resilient creature that has helped shape our history for thousands of years. But did you know that the story of the goat is not just about adaptation, but also about transformation? This is the story of goat domestication, one of the first revolutions in human history. This story begins about 10,000 years ago in what we know as the Fertile Crescent, a region stretching from Mesopotamia to the Middle East. It was here that humans first developed a unique relationship with wild goats. Capra aegagrus, a wild goat native to West Asia, was a target for early human hunters. Small and agile, its meat and milk were highly valued by human communities at the time. But one day, humans discovered a new way to deal with these goats. Instead of hunting them, they began capturing, domesticating, and eventually taming them. This was the beginning of goat domestication. The domestication process wasn't a sudden event. It involved generations of interaction between humans and goats. Experts believe that humans selected goats that were more docile, more tolerant of human presence, and easier to manage. Over thousands of years, this selection changed the characteristics of wild goats. Their horns became smaller, their bodies became more diverse, and they began to produce more milk and meat than their ancestors. Goats also became versatile animals. They provided not only food, but also hides for clothing and milk, which provided additional nutrition. They even served as a means of transportation in difficult terrain. As human civilization developed, goats began to spread throughout the world. From West Asia, they were brought by traders and explorers to Europe, Africa, and South Asia. Goats adapt quickly to a variety of environments. From arid deserts to cold mountains, they remain resilient and productive. It's no wonder goats have become a symbol of sustainability for many cultures. Goats are not only a resource, but also an important part of human culture and spirituality. In ancient Egypt, goats were considered sacred animals, symbolizing fertility. In Greece, they were associated with the myth of Pan, the god of the wild. To this day, goats play a role in many traditions. From religious rituals to culinary traditions, goats remain a symbol deeply embedded in human life. The domestication of goats has had an impact that has persisted into the modern era. Today, there are more than 300 goat breeds worldwide, each developed for a specific purpose: milk, meat, or wool. With modern technology, goat milk production has become a major industry. Goat milk is known to be easier to digest and rich in nutrients, making it a popular alternative in many countries. In fact, goats play a role in environmental protection. They are used to control weeds and prevent forest fires in some regions. From a wild past to a challenging present, goats have been silent witnesses to humanity's journey. They are a symbol of strength, adaptation, and cooperation between humans and nature. So, every time you see a goat, remember, they are not just animals, but also keepers of our civilization's history. This is the story of goat domestication. See you in the next wildlife story.